think I did an intro for this vlog. So we are in our hotel. Zach is in the shower and we are gonna order some dinner. We're just going to order from this little deli place. It's like some sandwiches, like lunch meat sandwiches. So yeah, this is actually our second night here. Like I said, I forgot to do an intro yesterday. We didn't really do much yesterday. We just kind of went a couple places. And yeah, there's a hot tub in our room, so we got in there. We went to Lush. We got some bath bombs. That was fun. And then today we went to the Denver Nature and Science Museum, which you will see because I vlogged a ton of stuff there. And then what did we do? I did a little bit of thrifting, so there will be a thrift haul coming up. And sorry, I don't know where to look. So yeah, and like we were gonna go out to dinner, but I just kind of felt like I wanted to come home, or not home, but come to the hotel and just kind of like veg out. I don't know, I'm really tired. I got up at 6 this morning for absolutely no reason at all. I could have slept another hour. So yeah, we went to, we did a little thrifting today, and then we went to Milkroll, which you will also see because I vlogged that, which is like that rolled ice cream. But yeah, so yeah, we are going to just order some food when Zach gets out of the shower, eat some dinner, chillax, hang out in my jammies, and yeah, so I'll probably show you our food when it gets here. Food from what? A Brother's Deli. I get the same thing, but I got mine without lettuce and mayo and all that crap, so yeah. It has turkey, ham, salami, and bacon. Good. Expensive, it better be good. Here's what it looks like on the inside. I hope I like this cheese. I've never had Havarti cheese.
No, it's Munster.
Or Munster cheese, whatever. I almost said cheese is cheese, but cheese is not cheese. Because I don't eat blue cheese. Love you.
Love you too.
It's a shoe shine section. Never been to a mall that has all of these very expensive stores before. I guess that's the aisle girl in me. Tesla. Lush, but we already stopped there. That's pretty cool. And there's Tiffany. Totally wasn't recording. How sweet is that? Oh. Okay, I can't. There's an airplane over there. Landing. So we're right by the airport, which is right over there. My outfit for doing nothing but sitting in the car. If you have not had rolled ice cream, I highly suggest it.
Yeah, it's good.
See yours again?
Oh wow, that is good.
Did you get a chocolate base? He got s'mores.
Yeah, it's chocolate with graham cracker and some chocolate drizzle and Pocky, whatever that is.
And I got chocolate ice cream with whipped cream, condensed milk, chocolate-filled cookies, and Teddy Grahams.
I think this is Pocky.
Where's mine? Oh.
It's like chocolate stick.
Hmm.
It's like a pretzel or
That's
something.
Pocky. Looks like a... Yeah, it kind of does look like a pretzel.
Mm.
So basically, we went to the Denver Nature and Science Museum today. Now, then we thrifted a little. Well, I did. Now, I'm gonna eat our ice cream. And then we're gonna go to the hotel.
And then go to dinner.
We're gonna clean ourselves up a bit. And then we're gonna go to dinner.
So we just have eating left.
You can't be by Milkroll and not go. Though. You should take your mom when she comes though.
Yeah.
And then when my family comes, we'll take all. We took my brother here when they came in November. And he had Oreo something. Looked really good, but I don't like Oreos and I just spilt my cookie.
Just broke my Pocky.
Is that good?
Huh?
The Pocky? Oh, there's a whole roll.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like a flower.
Huh.
I think that was the little roll though, the baby roll. I gotta say though, it's almost kind of hard, like, cause the ice cream's so hard.
Yeah, I
I
know.
feel like it wasn't so hard last time, but also it wasn't February.
Yeah. Glad I remembered that punch card.
Yeah. So
And I still had it.
how many punches do we need?
5.
How many do you need?
Probably 10.
Wow. If we come back tomorrow.
Yeah. That'll be 7. And then if we come with my mom, that'll be 10.
That'll be 10. And then we could like have like an ice cream date.
Yeah, or we get one free. Share one.
How much was it? Like $12?
13, so.
I'll pay a good price for good ice cream though. The best ice cream we've ever had was on our honeymoon in Canton,
Yep.
Ohio. At Hondel's.
Been there in Wolf Guns.
The ice cream was delightful.
And ice cream.
Now, we didn't spend our entire honeymoon in Canton, Ohio. So,
But we could have.
Football Hall of Fame.
What else do you need? Ice cream.
Melt in Cleveland. Melt Bar and Grilled.
Yeah.
Monte Cristo. So good. And then you can go to the Christmas store house. Or Christmas story house.